All right, so the first thing that I noticed is this thing started just washing out. Put some new Heim joint style tie rod ends on there from Stab Fab. They're beautiful, like them, but gotta get them straightened up a bit. I'm an idiot. I'm going to an event, not scheduling alignment. Just, you know, just smart stuff. Not gonna do it. We're just logic out the window. So yeah, I'm gonna sit here. I'm over here at the Napa in Longview. I went and got some fuel. That was $20 for like no gas. It was like that line right there to there was 20 bucks. Wonderful. Anyway, at least we can still get it. It's not gone. So we're gonna see how this goes. I think that's probably Ken right there. Hey, check it out. It's Ken. Weird. Hey. Woohoo! Beautiful day. Cruising right along. Steering wheel's crooked. But we got it a lot closer. It was sketchy before. It's doable now. I bet the wind noise is terrible. Okay, we're here. We made it. So, let's see how it goes this time, huh? You know, I think last time we got like 3 laps, 5 laps. Whew. Going through the phases, the anxiety phase in the morning, and then like the calm phase after everything's rolling. And then I get here, and then get the nervous phase, and then hopefully I get the excited, you know, jammed phase, whatever it is where I'm jamming. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, done with tech. Time to change out some wheels. Ken's cruising way down there. See if I can zoom it in. It's his first time even seeing this stuff, let alone doing ride-alongs. Might be exciting. They let him in, which is kind of cool. Like that. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. I mean, been an interesting morning, but we're making do, man. We're gonna do it. Ken's 19-step helmet entering process.
It's been a while. It's been a few years. Alright, I gotta do this outside.
Hey, we made it to the line. Let's see how this goes. Let's see how bad I can do. Steve. Oh my god. This is cool. Didn't die. It's not right. Yeah. Oh shit again! Well, let's go check the damage, shall we? That was pretty fucking intense. You see how fast it fucks up? Woo! I need to change the shorts after that one. That was fucking sketchy. Well, we did touch that dirt bank, by the way. We definitely did. This is a brand new plate. I put this on last night. Wouldn't you fucking know it? This is covered. Yeah, covered. Just get it. your secrets, Bumper. Tell us your secrets.
Crazy watching this thing go around because your shackles get so close to the ground when you're like on that side.
I gotta air up the air shocks. That's fun.
Are there air so you can adjust like
Yeah.
everything with the air?
A little bit. I need to straighten it out. It's like, yeah, I can tell it's So I guess there was a decent sized wreck up there. I can't see it, maybe use it. So we're parked here for a bit. The rain kind of slowed down. See as many drippy droppies on the windshield. Oh well. All right, the rain came out. Oh, my favorite weather. We'll see if I regret it or not, but I'm excited. Go through no tires today. That's the shit I gotta watch out for, huh? It's going too fast for that turn. It's going full lock for sure. Right out of the angle. I had to do like 3 different things to keep it going. His poor power steering belt. No.
Just crying. Oh, connect it. Get it! Yeah, I'm counting that. That's a win, baby. That's a win. That's one of the better ones. That was solid.
Oh yeah, almost.
1, 2, and 3 right there.
That was good.
That was the best ones of the day. Yeet.
Ready, second.
All right. All right. Yeah.
And I think, on that nutshell, I think we're done.
That's pretty good.
All right, guys. Whee! Beep beep.